Let's have a quick look at the cruciate anastomosis around the hip joint. For this, you have to track the parent arteries first. So this is a common iliac artery which gives an internal and an external branch. The internal branch goes inside. It provides three branches for anastomosis around the hip joint. First is obturator branch. Here there's obturator branch, and two more branches I would like to mention. That's a superior gluteal artery and inferior gluteal artery. Both goes backwards in the backwards of the hip joint. Okay. Now let's see, the external iliac artery is traveling forwards, anteriorly, outwards, and reaches the anterior thigh. To here it is called as a femoral artery. So for the anterior thigh, you have the femoral artery, and the posterior thigh, there is a deep artery, deep femoral artery or profunda femoris artery. All right. Now, from the profunda femoris artery, you have to understand a circumflex artery which embraces the proximal femur, namely the medial and lateral circumflex artery comes up. Here, medial is larger and lateral is smaller. Medial is seen posterior. Okay. Okay. Now, profunda femoris goes further distally, where it will give a few perforating branch. This is the first perforating branch. From there is again an ascending branch going up along with the ascending branch from the two circumflex artery. So these three arteries contribute for the cruciate anastomosis, while the inferior gluteal artery, which is a branch of the internal iliac, sends a descending branch to complete the cruciate anastomosis. That means in net there are four arteries to complete the cruciate anastomosis, namely the inferior gluteal artery branch of internal iliac from above, three branches, two from the circumflex arteries of the profunda femoris from below, and one branch which is the branch from the perforating branch of the profunda femoris artery also from below. So this completes the cruciate anastomosis. So now what happens is there's an obstruction here. It will lead to a avascular necrosis of the hip joint, which is a serious condition leading to death of the tissue and bone in the hip. So that is why the cruciate anastomosis is very important. Now one more anastomosis, trochanteric anastomosis, which also happens from the ascending branch from lateral and medial circumflex and descending branch from superior gluteal. Thank you.